Hi everyone, this is a tutorial for the song Acadian Driftwood by the band. Really excited to be hosting an extra special session up in Bathurst, New Brunswick on August 9th, 2023. And today is the first of a series of tutorials about some of the songs in the Acadian set. So without further ado, I'm just going to share my screen and show you the chart that I shared on your Facebook group page. Acadian Driftwood by the band in the key of C. Our charts are above, but here is the strumming pattern that we're going to follow in this song. During the verse part, we want to play each chord 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, G, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A minor, 5, 6, 7, 8, D minor. And then we do the C. Now this time we're going to E minor, then F, then D minor. Now notice I'm just down strumming. You can do this with your thumb or with your first finger. And during the chorus section, it's actually 4 strums per chord name. So we have C, F, D minor, G, C, F, D minor, G. Now watch out for those chord changes. Now when we get to the end of the song, we have an outro, and that outro has 8 strums per chord name. So we have C and D minor just droning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C'est tu l'Acadia, j'ai le mal du pays, so forth. So what I'm going to do now is take you through the arrangement by singing the lyrics so that you can see pretty much how the jam session will sound. All right, so I'm going to start on C and I'm going to count us in. 1, 2, here we go. The war was over and the spirit was broken. The hills were smoking as the men withdrew. We stood on the cliffs and watched the ships slowly sink into their rendezvous. They signed a treaty and our homes were taken. Loved ones forsaken, they didn't give a damn. And trying to raise a family, end up the enemy over what went down on the plains of Abraham. Acadian driftwood, gypsy tailwind, they call my home the land of snow. Canadian cold front moving in. What a way to ride, oh what a way to go. 2, 3, 4. Then some return to the motherland. What they started, they never parted, they're just built that way. We had kin living south of the border. They're a little bit older and they've been around. They wrote a letter, life's a whole lot better. So pull up your stakes, children, and come on down. Here we go. Acadian driftwood, gypsy tailwind, they call my home the land of snow. Canadian cold front moving in. What a way to ride, oh what a way to go. 2, 3, 4. 15 under 0 when the day became a threat. My clothes were wet and I was drenched to the bone. Been out ice fishing, too much repetition. make a man wanna leave the only home he's known. Sailing out of the Gulf, heading for St. Pierre. Nothing to declare, all we had was gone. Broke down along the coast, oh, what hurt the most? When the people there said, you better keep moving on. Acadian driftwood, gypsy tailwind, they call my home the land of snow. Canadian cold front, moving in. What a way to ride, oh, what a way to go. 2, 3, 4. Everlasting summer filled with ill content. This government had us walking in chains. This isn't my turf, this ain't my season. Can't think of one good reason to remain. We worked in the sugar fields up from New Orleans. It was evergreen up until the floods. You could call it an omen, point you where you're going. Set my compass north, I got winter in my blood. Acadian driftwood, gypsy tailwind, they call my home the land of snow. Canadian cold front, moving in. What a way to ride, oh, what a way to go. 2, 3, 4. C'est tout l'Acadie, j'ai le mal de paille. Ta neige Acadie, fais les armes au soleil. J'arrive Acadie, tilalum, tilalum, tilalou. 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 So that is the beautiful Acadian Driftwood by the band. And this is just the first of a series of Acadian tutorials I'll be doing. So stay tuned, and I will see you again real soon.